Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're chatting all about this Cinch backpack from HOBO. This backpack got so much attention on one of my favorites videos from this past week. There's so many of you in the comments or that have messaged me saying that you wanted to see this one packed up. A lot of you have already ordered it without even seeing a full review on it because you can just tell that it's gonna be such a good one. I love this backpack and I knew that I know for a while that I wanted to do like a full review on it because especially with it being black, it's really hard to tell like how awesome this backpack is unless you see it fully packed up to see all the functionality, all the pockets, all like the things that really kind of set this backpack apart from others. But we'll kind of go through the backpack briefly. I'll try it on for you and then we're gonna pack it up so that you can really see what fits inside. So for starters, one of my favorite things about this backpack is this chunky braided top handle. I think it is something so different. It's so unique. It has this really fun, like long tassel attached to it. But if for some reason, I don't know why it wouldn't be, but if for some reason this is not your jam, you can easily detach it here at the top if you like don't want it flopping around or something, or like I said, if it's just not something you like, you do have the option to detach it. But I have grabbed this handle so many times if I'm just like quickly like coming in and out of somewhere, or if I'm getting out of my car or what have you, and I don't have time to throw the backpack on, I can just put this like in the crook of my arm and it's really easy to grab. And I just love the way that it just, I don't know, it kind of looks really cool on the backpack. See if I can like lay it down there for you so that you can see it a little bit more up close to see like the braid here that I'm talking about and the tassels. It's just, it's so cool. But going around the backpack so that you can see everything that it has on the outside of it, the main opening of the bag is a cinch top, of course, hence the name. There's no way to zip it or anything like that. It is a true cinch top, but it gets very, very tight at the top. Like, there's no way anything is going to fall out of it. And there's two different strings. So you can tie these if you want even more security. It's not just like a single cinch that you have on some backpacks. The end of this particular cinch top has these little kind of plastic things here. And you can even tighten right here. I can show you this little plastic piece down to the very top of the bag, so that it will not come uncinched. Like you cannot pull it apart if this piece is down here. So it is a very secure backpack for it being a cinch top. You have two really awesome and functional pockets on the very front of this backpack. As you can see here, you have a zipper kind of pocket right here at the top that goes the whole like width of the bag. But then you have this big open pocket that is secured by a magnet. So, and it opens up so wide. It's great to just kind of throw maybe like a water bottle or a snack, like things that you don't need to have super secure, but yet you have so much room in the pocket. And then you have the zip pocket there at the top of it. Moving along to the side of the bag. Now this bag doesn't have any water bottle pockets or anything like that, but you do have this big like side zip pocket that is a separate kind of compartment inside your bag that you could easily put like your water bottle or a pair of shoes or even a jacket or something that you want to keep separate from the inside of the bag. It's like another compartment inside. So this is typically where I'll put like a big water bottle at. Onto the back of this backpack, which also makes it fantastic for travel, you do have a luggage sleeve right here. And then you also have this big chunky zipper with a additional pocket back here, a zip pocket. So if you have it on your luggage in the airport, you still have access to this pocket if you wanted to maybe put your quick grab things like your ID or your passport or wallet. You can have it against your body and secure, but also have it like zipped up. So that's an option there. And then when you open up the main part here of the bag, the only interior organization that you have on this one is a key leash and a zipper. So as far as packing this one, it would pack fantastic with pouches or things like that that you can kind of grab out easily. I love the lining color of this one. It's kind of like a jade against this black. Trying this bag on really quickly for you before I pack it up. Now I did stuff it with a big sweatshirt at the bottom and like a stuffed animal on top, just to give it a little bit of like poofiness to it so that you can see what it looks like tried on when it's fully packed. The straps are really easily adjustable and they're super comfortable. I have mine actually kind of loose at the moment. I'm gonna tighten them up here just a little bit. But they, like I said, they adjust really easily and they're super comfortable. This here is what it looks like on when you're wearing it towards the back. Kind of make it a little bit higher if you wanted to, or you could wear it lower. I mean, it's a pretty basic backpack, I guess, as far as the way that it looks, but it's super, like super comfortable to wear. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera down and pack up this bag, but I wanted to let you know about my What's in My Bag blog post page that lives on my blog. It has a running list of things that you commonly see inside of my bags, whether it be pouches or wallets or books or what have you. I usually keep like a running tally there of things that you find inside. So if you're looking for a link to something that you see packed inside, the odds are you're gonna find it there. All right, here the backpack is all packed up. I've actually been using it and I have it currently packed up for when I went on a all-day field trip for my oldest son. He had a big kind of chorus event that was at a university all day. So I had this with me and it was awesome. It was fantastic. So I'll go ahead and start kind of moving everything out of it. I'm sorry if the lighting is a little bit wonky. I'm trying to get this done here before the sun goes down. But right here in this front pocket is this front pocket and the back pocket, which I'll show you in a second, were my most used pockets. I was in and out of these the entire day and I really love how big and easy and open they are. This one here has a really strong magnetic closure and it has so much room inside that pocket, like so much room. Now it's not super secure, as you can see. It, you know, does kind of leave space here at the top if you don't have anything packed all the way to the top and you just have one magnetic closure. But I like that because it's easy to get things in and out of, but you don't want to keep things like your wallet and, you know, things that you would want to have a little bit more secure. So down here, I just have my Touchland hand sanitizer, of course. I also have a hair tie from Kitsch, been loving this one. And I have a Touchland body spray. I also have down in here my hand cream that I wanted to actually touch on. This is going to for sure be in my February favorites video because it is a random find that I never would have thought that I would have liked actually. But my husband got it for me in like a little Valentine's basket and I have almost used the entire thing. I mean, I don't want to say almost used the entire thing, but I've used a ton of it. It's so good. I can't stress it enough. It is a vanilla cashmere scent. And it's not like a sicky sweet vanilla, if that makes any sense. It's not like brown sugar vanilla. Like it's a really fresh and kind of clean scent. And I've literally been like obsessed with it. So have that in there. And I think that's it. Oh no, I have my Laneige lip mask stuff that I always have with me down in there as well. And I think that's it. Yes, that's everything in this like front magnetic pocket. Moving into the zipper pocket that is right above this magnetic pocket, I wanted to kind of zoom in and show you the zippers on this bag because they're nice and chunky and I feel like they just kind of add something to this backpack. I hate it when you have a nice big substantial backpack and the zippers are like very small or they're like metal and they kind of stick, but these zippers are fantastic. Inside the zipper here, I just have a couple of things. The first thing sitting on top is actually my #1 tip if you are going on a field trip with kids. That's going to be at nighttime or anywhere really, but I was in a bus at night and I brought this along with me. It was also dark inside one of the like practice rooms that we were in and I brought my book light so I was able to kind of read and do things on my notebook while I was waiting for them in rehearsals and when I was on the bus. And if I didn't have this, I would have had like my, I don't know, phone light or something trying to read and stay occupied. But this worked out really, really well. And it was one of those very random things that I'm glad I had in my bag. And then the other items inside here are just my sunglass case. This holds my eyeglasses and my sunglasses in both, which I love. And then I also have, last but not least, oh, I have a hair tie. And then I have my wallet down in here. This is my Gucci wallet you guys have seen in like all of my videos. And I love it. It's nice and slim down in there. And that's all I had inside this zipper pocket. Moving the bag kind of around to the back here so that you can see the zipper on the back of the bag. This here is that luggage sleeve, so it's open at the bottom here and at the top as well. And then there's a pocket on the outside of that. And I use this kind of as a catch-all pocket. I didn't have a pouch inside my backpack with all of my small little odds and ends and like cosmetic things. I just had them all back here in this back pocket, and I thought it was great. There's just a bunch of loose tissues there. I have so much in this little pocket, and it was great. It was kind of like a built-in like pouch, I guess. So I have Excedrin. I also have a nail file. I have a hair clip, a Burt's Bees chapstick. I have a travel mascara and a Tarte lip gloss. I also have hair ties for days. I have a little perfume, these teeth kind of picker things. And then I have a scrunchie, more teeth things, all that kind of stuff. Just all of that just fit down inside that pocket, and I was able to just open it and grab out whatever I needed. The only other exterior pocket on this bag is over here on the side, and this is the big pocket that goes on the inside of the bag, and I have my water bottle down in there. This is a huge water bottle. It is how many ounces? 30, 40. It's a Corkcicle extra large 30-ounce cup. So this is the big water bottle I had in there, and it fit absolutely no problem down inside that bag. It had a little top there that closed, had a little handle. It's kind of my newest one for spring and summer, and I love it. There's so many colors of those. And that is everything on these exterior pockets. Moving on into the big opening here of the backpack. I have two big pouches inside of this backpack, and then I do have a few things inside this small zipper pocket in the back. The only thing in here is actually my charger. It's like a really, really long charging cable. And then I did have my portable charger in here as well, but it's not in the bag at the moment. And then I have my keys kind of down in the back there with all my little odds and ends keychains or whatever. So that was down in this zipper pocket. And then besides that, attached to the key leash, let's see, what side is it on here? It is over here. Attached to it is a small little MZ Wallace pouch, key pouch. I don't know exactly what this one's called. But inside here, I just have my AirPods, like nice and secure in here so that I can grab it whenever I needed them. And then last but not least, I have two of these Target pouches that you guys see all the time in my bags, especially if I'm traveling. These are like the most fantastic little like travel pouches. And they worked out really well because this bag can be a little bit of a black hole, just like any type of large backpack or large tote bag. And so having those two kind of pouches in there worked out really, really well. I was able to just kind of grab whatever it is that I needed. Inside this medium one here, I have all of the snacks, all of the food. I had some hand wipes in here as well. But it was just like an endless like snack bag. It was completely full. Now it's half full. And then in this one, which worked out really well, is the largest one. And I just packed in here all of my notebook type things. As you can see, I had the book that I'm just finished that I am literally obsessed with. It's definitely going to be one of my favorite reads of this year, and I'm definitely going to be sharing it in my monthly favorites. It is, oh my gosh, it was just such a good book. Long story long, it's a book about a woman that lost her husband, and he gifted her 12 books before he passed, and every month she gets a different book from him, and it all kind of helps her on her new journey of life and finding herself and finding love and finding all the things, and it's just absolutely incredible. Such a good book. And then I also have a new planner. I know, you guys, calm down, it's okay, that I'm toying with, and my notebook. I'll share this if I like it. I just started it, so I don't wanna get too far into it yet. But what I like about it is it's like the size of my book, and it's super thin, and I feel like I can carry it around a lot easier than other ones. And then I also had inside here the small little pouch that had my pens, my sticky notes, highlighters, all that kind of thing. And then what else? Oh, and then down in here was the other, my big sticky note pad from Erin Condren that I use all the time and I love. So that is everything down inside this backpack. I love it. I cannot recommend it enough. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that were excited about this backpack and wanted to see it packed up. If you have any questions or comments at all, feel free to leave those down below. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you soon. Bye.